is AON, and this is my backlove story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you what's inside my Sinbono Alyssa bag, Sanrio Kuromi edition. Sinbono bags are luxurious vegan bags. They're made from recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leathers to create these luxurious vegan bags. They look premium. They feel premium as well. So if you are looking for Christmas presents, you may want to try to visit their website, Sinbono website. Here are beautiful options for you. They also have new releases. I'm very happy to share with you my discount code. You may use baglove to avail of 26% off and even higher discount from their website. You can save more to buy more for your families and friends, and I'm pretty sure they would be happy to receive this luxurious yet mindful gift such as this. Moving on, let's start. So this is my Alyssa Sinbono bag. You can see they have their logo right here. I have placed my Kuromi from Q Uncle. This is a pouch, a coin pouch. It is a multi-purpose pouch. You can use this as a wallet, as a coin purse, as a key case. But now I have placed an earbud from Bavin, and this looks nice as a charm on the outside of the bag as well. So pretty and so kawaii. On the back portion, I usually put my phone right here. This bag can be used as a crossbody when it is in the longer setting. It can also be used as a shoulder bag in this longer length. But if you pull this to be in the same length, it becomes a shorter shoulder bag like a baguette setting. So on the inside, this feature, you can see, hidden magnet, is my favorite feature of this bag. Looks very luxurious to me. So let's see what's inside of my bag. I have here a pilot pen. This is my holographic card case, but currently I have placed some tissues on it. Some mini wipes. I have here my Kuromi key case. It has a hook right here if you want to hook it at the outside of your bag. So inside I just have my 2 keys. So kawaii Kuromi key case. I have here my Lux Organics and Anclute's collaboration, the charcoal oil absorbing blotting paper. I use this as a mirror and also as this blotting sheets for oily face. Very, very handy. Then I have here my perfume. Lip gloss. This is from Sugar Dolls brand from the Gloss Boss family, and it's called the Diamond. A Tic Tac. I've brought my bag hook. This is what you put on the table. So nice. This is a gift from my husband years ago. I have here my Kuromi foldable mirror. That's the mirror side. You can see I really love the sparkles. So cute and kawaii. I have here my simple pouch. Simple. And in here are some feminine products. And I have here one more thing. I have here my Kuromi foldable comb. I really love this comb. Purchased it again, and I remembered that I did have one of these in my younger years. So cute and kawaii Kuromi foldable comb. On the inside, it just has 3 card slots. So here again are what's inside my Sinbono bag, Alyssa Sinbono bag. Here are some fun kawaii finds, Kuromi bag essentials. So what can you say about my Sinbono bag? And what can you say about my Sanrio Kuromi bag essentials? Did you like them as well? If you love beautiful, affordable bag alternatives such as this, simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.